Ever wonder what's inside a book subscription box? I've been uncovering them all for you, and today, Crate Expectations. This one has skyrocketed to the top of my favorite list. So this box is designed for kids ages 8 to 12, and let's take a look inside. So this particular box, when you open it up, we have a card here, and when you turn it over on the back, it tells you what book is inside. With each Crate Expectations box, you get an edible treat, you get some type of gift, whether it's a toy or some type of object to go along with the book. You get a STEM related activity, you get conversation starters, and you get a note from the author. So as I uncover, let's go deeper inside. We have a little message in the bottle. To remove our padding here, let me dig to the bottom so you can see the book first, and then everything else will just make sense. So the book is A Place to Hang the Moon. Oh my goodness, I loved this book. So it is a story, it's set in the time period of World War II. And there are 3 children who have been orphaned, and they get sent away to live with a family during the war to get out of danger's way. And it's the story of like finding a place to live, and just the relationship between the 3, and it is a wonderful, wonderful book. So inside we have little treats. These are Jelly Babies, British sweets, perfect for one of the children in the story. When he leaves, he packs treats in his suitcase. Also inside, we have a bag of seeds. There's a lot of talk in the story about the children plant a garden at the school. So you have your own heirloom seeds, radish seeds to plant. We have a book pocket. These are family time conversation starters. These look so fun. We have a bookmark, keep calm and read on. This is a letter to the reader from the author. And then we have a whole adventure guide that comes with the book in your box, that explains everything that's in your box and the hands-on activities to do. There is a recipe for using rationed items that would have been available during World War II to make. In this one, you're making a ration cake. There's a whole menu that goes along with the book, as well as book talk discussion questions. And then some further reading with all fantastic suggestions. I've read many on this list and highly recommend them myself. So that is what comes inside this amazing gift box. Again, it is for ages 8 through 12. Would make a fabulous family book club together, or just to have your kids do with some of their friends. Highly, highly recommend Crate Expectations.